Tandem LED really just started out as a concept. Designers would pick a color, try to put it into the space, but it wasn't the correct white color that they were expecting or anticipating due to a lot of different factors that came into play within that design. Tandem LED takes 2 wires from a standard single color LED, and it allows the user to use our Tandem LED technology in order to color tune the lights, meaning they can select any white color that they want and they can adjust that color in the moment, in the space, to exactly what they want. And then they can change that by setting scenes because of the smart technology that we use as well. So how simple really is it? When you unpackage it, you can literally plug in the smart driver. You can take your lighting, measure it to the length you want. With a pair of scissors, you can cut it. It comes with a quick connector that just goes on with a small screwdriver, and you literally can just say, Alexa, find my device, and you're now connected. When it comes to professionally installed lighting, customers will spend thousands of dollars to have an electrician putting in outlets, wiring in switches. The Tandem LED product allows you to utilize any outlet that you have. For example, over a microwave or behind a refrigerator, just like in the space behind me. The lighting installs in usually under an hour for a basic installation, or maybe just about 3 hours for a full installation, including under cabinet lighting, in cabinet lighting, and perhaps some floating shelf lights. The nice thing is, it doesn't cost a lot of money because you don't need an electrician to put in any custom placed outlets. You can utilize the outlets that you already have.